sir. Mhm. Yeah. Today, good afternoon to all of you. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon to all of you. Today, we have to discuss about tools and
Good afternoon, sir.
techniques of the research. Tools and techniques of research. This is the PowerPoint presentation. Also, I have given to you tools and techniques of research. That is a tools. What is tools and what is techniques? Tools and techniques. That is this used in the research. Hello, you are hearing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
okay. Tools and techniques in research. I am going to discuss about this one. So there is tools and techniques in research. What are you going to do a better empirical research? That is quantitative research. So there should be tools and techniques. Tools here, this means that the instrument, psychometric instrument, test, scale, inventory, battery, etc. So test, generally different types of tests. They are given tools and techniques in research. Firstly, psychological tests. Different types of psychological tests. What are you going to prepare a test? That all are psychological tests. As for example, I am giving the example for this one, and achievement test, aptitude test, diagnostic test, intelligence test, creativity test, personality test. These are the psychology. All the psychological test, that is what are you preparing, constructing any types of test that is based on the content, based on the attitude, based on the aptitude, or based on the creativity. That all are psychological tests. That is that their psychology related. A psychology is generally that is a behavior, and of the behavior, what are you giving a case that is nothing but knowing about their students' behavior. So generally, psychological test is generally used in further tools and technique in research, or it is very easy because in education is nothing but there are four components of the education. Teacher, a student, um, curriculum, and environment. So psychological test that is common to the content, achievement test, diagnostic test, etc. So psychological test, what you going to, how can you construct? This is the also problem, because teacher, there are two types of test: teacher made test and standardized test. Teacher made test, there is no any standardization. There is no reliability, validity, norm establishment, etc. But the psychological test, generally this means that the standardized test. I want to say here, psychological test, that is nothing but what are you going for the taking the knowledge, acquiring knowledge from the student that is related to behavior. And education is nothing but it is the modification of behavior. How can you modify the behavior of the student? This is the main thing. So psychology is generally related to behavior. So you have to construct psychological tests, and these psychological tests are the tools and techniques in research, particularly in education and educational research. Psychological test, how can you construct? So first of all, you go for the area. What types of test you are going to construct? So first of all, you choose content, different types of items. In tools and technique, items, question is known as items in research and evaluation also. And psychological test, each question that is known as items. So first of all, you prepare items, and after there is a tryout, item analysis, indices of item analysis, difficulty level, and the discriminating power, validity, etc. will be mathematically calculated. Difficulty value necessary, because you should not give the more than 30% easy question. Some normal question, hard question, simple question will be given in the test, because each and every person that cannot be touch a harder problem. So it is necessary to mix up difficulty. You go for the difficulty level of the items. Secondly, reliability. Reliability is necessary, because reliable, the test, how it is reliable, the test that is what is going to be prepared for the high university, that not be reliable for the other also. Reliability is the also a correlation coefficient between the two variables. And validity also. Validity, the course in Delhi NCRT and the other provisional state that not valid. So validity necessary. Validity, a psychological test is test should be valid, reliable, and norms should be established. I also tell about the interpretation of test score, sigma score, T score, IQ, deviation, 9 scales, percentile, etc. All are the norms. So psychological test generally, I'm sub types of things that will be on the basis of this item that psychological test will be constructed. So first of all, I am going to discuss about the achievement test. What is achievement test? Achievement, this means that degree of attainment. Achievement test is designed to measure what the student achieved during the classroom situation. And after the summative examination, that will be degree of the achievement that come into the existence. So achievement test that is only related to content validity because achievement test that is related to university examination, school examination, etc. So there should be the expert is the main things, subject teacher is main things, and so content validity is determined. Okay. Next, diagnostic test I am telling. Diagnostic test, one of the diagnostic, the word that taken from the medical science. Diagnostic test is another types of the achievement test. What is the difference between achievement test and diagnostic test? Diagnostic test that is specify weak point and strong point of the student in the particular area of the subject. Otherwise, achievement test doesn't tell about the weak point and strong point. Diagnostic it includes subjective type test, yes or no, 0 or 1. 0 or 1. And achievement test that is every types of question, that is the very short answer type question, objective type question, short answer type question, essay type question, achievement test includes. So diagnostic test generally a criterion that is based on the criteria, content, what unit test. As for example, I'm giving unit test is a diagnostic test. One of the your syllabus I taught a unit scientific inquiry and scientific method, and I'm going to take a test in the on the topic given scientific inquiry and scientific method, that become diagnostic test. But the whole of the syllabus, I am going to what I have taught that if I am going to take a test that is known as a achievement test. So achievement test that in five university, that is a midterm, end term, assignment 1, assignment 2, that all after adding all the marks, that is known as summative test. So informative test, summative test, and diagnostic test. The diagnostic test, that is the during the after the completion of the unit. So diagnostic is most important for the point of view of the research. Okay, achievement is also applicable in the tools and technique in research, but the diagnostic in every time diagnostic test, because in research you have responsibility to know about the weak and strong point of the student. So it is only possible for the diagnostic test. So generally diagnostic test used in the research, and it is more powerful test in the research. Secondly, intelligence test. Intelligence, this means that only for the ability, what to do any time, and in the form of the ability, that is known as intelligence. Those who students are not doing anything, there is no ability at all. The person who come and under the rest inertia, that is known as the nothing. He has no ability at all. But each and every human being in has a general ability and a special ability. So ability, intelligence of most IQ must human being has must IQ, and so intelligence test is also measured during the research period, and so it is also many types of spiritual intelligence tests also standardized intelligence test. I also prepared a spiritual intelligence scale last year. That is also that say about the ability related to a spiritual. So that is the intelligence test only determine the ability. Next, creativity test. Creativity test, that is one of type that will say, according to Bloom taxonomy, cognitive ability area domain, I want to say there are knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. So analysis and synthesis, that makes creativity. It is also necessary. Analysis means that to break down into parts, and synthesis means to put together. Exa, to put together and to break down analysis. In the teaching learning situation, there is a necessity of the to put down, put together, and to break down into parts. So to put together, that is synthesis, and a student, what he is doing, the what function of the student was nothing but synthesize each and everything. So put together, this is the learning ability. Many student he know very well, but he could not get marks due to the synthesis ability. And the analysis, to break down teachers. Teaching is a based on the analysis ability. So teaching learning situation, that is generally related to analysis and synthesis ability. And in for the creativity test, it is necessary to know about the synthesis and analysis objective according to the Professor B.S. Okay, and there are so many. I am taking example. Suppose if you were the president of India, what can you do? This question differ from one individual to another one. Your thinking is differ. Your thinking differs from two other. What is your thinking about the to become president of India, and other person thinking about on this matter, that is that the answer should be deeper, no single answer regarding this. These such types of the question that is known as that creativity test. If you were water, what can you do? If you were bird, what can you do? Because each thing has a work ability, what to for doing something. So that is the, this is also ability, in particular ability, the creativity test that occurs. Next, aptitude test. So first, DAT and SAT. DAT means you are seeing PPT. Hello, you are seeing PPT.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so aptitude test. There is a DAT, SAT. DAT means differential aptitude test. SAT means a specific aptitude test. The differential aptitude test, that is differ from one individual to another one. Different types of the aptitude test is included in one. And SAT, that is the many types of a mechanical and different, say, artistic, physical, such types of the ability that come into the SAT, a specific aptitude test. Okay, so that aptitude test. You are also entrance examination. Entrance examination, that is nothing but the aptitude test that tells about the future. That prediction test is nothing but the aptitude test. Next, personality test. I am going to personality. You know, education is nothing but the transformation of the personality from one situation to another. So personality test, generally projective test, two types: projective test and non-projective test. That may be used, but projective test not used. It is very difficult, and roll tying plot, that is not easy to. But the non-projective test, a lot of non-projective tests, word association, different type of personality development tests also designed by the different education. So it is a very things, each and everything. What are you going to the constructs? That is nothing but the personality. Construct and hypothetic, two words: construct, traits, and personality. Hypothetical and construct. Construct is a trait. So that is the component of the personality test. So construction, that deals about also the personality test. Okay. So that is things, psychological test. I summarize this psychological test in a very simple way. Next, inquiry form. What is inquiry form? What are you going to inquire regarding the items what you have selected? In this, there is no content at all. That is free question. It is neither wrong nor right. Okay. So that is questionnaire. You have to prepare many questionnaire, but not related to the content. So that forms questionnaire. Questionnaire is also a form of inquiry. Of that questionnaire may be open or may be closed. Open, this mean by that you are giving and the answer will be given by the participant, and close, answer you have given, just he or she indicates, ticks the, put the sign either wrong or right. So questionnaire. Schedule is also that form that put in right or wrong things, and checklist also many things. You have, suppose you know this one, you know this one, you know this one. If you know this one, that is okay. If doesn't know, that is wrong. to put a right sign and wrong sign, that is used in the checklist. Rating scale. Rating scale is also 2-point scale, 3-point scale, 4-point scale, 6.7, 10, 11-point scale. And there is a graded value, graded point. So, a rating scale tell about the rate. What is rate? Rates what that become rating scale. Generally, 5-point scale is running now at this time according to Likert 5-point scale, and that is generally used. When are you going to form a scale? That is nothing but the based on the rating. 1, 5, 3, 4, 5. 5 point, not a mark. That is point will be given. And a scorecard that is also prepared. Suppose you have 7-6 paper in MEd special education, 6 or 7, and the score given, and just you point out this one, this one, this one. So many types of a scorecard that appear. And attitude scale, that is tell about your attitude, your positive attitude, your negative attitude. It is also it is neither wrong nor right. It is not based on the content. So it is also a scale, not a test. So attitude, what is your attitude? Suppose you want to eat chicken. Some person who doesn't want to take chicken. So that is the attitude. Okay, so that is it is not right and not wrong. One person can take chicken, another can take vegetables. So that is the attitude. It is also a free. Okay, so that is a attitude scale inquiry form that. Next, I am going to tell about the interview. Interview is a test or technique. I have given the chapter named Tools and Technique. So interview is not a test, not a scale, not a battery, not a inventory, but it is a technique. Why? Why interview is not a test? It is a technique. Anybody? Hello? Understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Interview is not a test, but it is a technique. Why? I have told also in the classroom situation. Interview, question may be come into the examination. Interview is not a test, but it is interview. It is a technique. Because there is no question paper, there is no copy, paper, pencil, or pen. So it is not a test. Not a, it not doesn't say specify the uh, things related to taste. So interview just a verbal things will become. Okay. So that interview is a technique, not a test. So inquiry, observation, next observation. You observe directly or indirectly. Observation is nothing but self things, self perception. So then you can hello. Observation, that is a participate direct and indirect observation, or direct and indirect observation may be possible in the teaching learning situation also. Next, sociometry. Sociometry is a one thinks sociogram, sociometrics, and guess who question. Sociometry is divided into three parts: sociogram, sociometric, and guess who question. So what is sociometry? The word, this is constructed with two words, socio and metry. Socio means social, metry means to measure. What are you going to measure about the society? That is nothing but the sociometry. So one of the tools for this one, the sociogram and sociometric metrics. Metrics is that is related to the mathematics, and 3 by 3, 4 by 4 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 5 by 5 matrix, 6 by. This means that the row and column are always equal. That is known as a matrix. If you are going to know about the society, so you should put all the population, all the demographic population in the form of the matrix. That is nothing but the sociometrics. And guess who question? Society is a dynamic society, not a closed society. Dynamic, and due to this reason, the demand, social demand, and social needs in changes each and every time. So, guess who question you have to prepare about the to measure the level of the society by yourself. Okay, so that is known as guess who question. Next, social distance. Social distance, now at this time, very important. Maintaining social distance. Now in Corona period, that is the word very, each and every time it is used, social distance. Social distance, this means that to maintaining distance between the society. So how it is possible? How it is possible? Social distance, that is specify the distance between two person, two community, two villages, many things. That is related to community. Okay, so that are the tools and techniques. In tools and techniques, that are the psychological test and inquiry form and the sociometry and interview, that is the other things, and this is social distance, separate things that maintain the distancing, and interview, that the sum of the body, that the board that asks the question from the individual part. Interview always happen in the individually happen, but social distance that happen in the society. Okay, so in the interview and social distance are the separate things, and psychological test, observation, and sociometric inquiry form. That is the in the research, psychological test inquiry form is more important. In the inquiry form, I have to questionnaire, schedule, checklist, rating scale, scorecard, and attitude scale. And the psychological test, generally, psychological test, achievement test in the classroom situation for the school level, and the diagnostic test, that is the weak point and the strength point of the student, and aptitude test, that will tell about your future performance. Okay, and intelligence test tell about the ability, what types of abilities. Now at this time, different types of the cognitive intelligence, social intelligence, emotional intelligence, spiritual intelligence, managerial intelligence, many types of the intelligence that come into the existence, and that is very essential. Solid intelligence and fluid intelligence, etc. And specific ability, sometimes also the intelligence. So these are the tools and techniques in research, for the purpose of the research. Tools and technique for the purpose of the research, And in this research, in empirical research and qualitative research, you may use psychological tests in the form of different types of this such types of the test, and you may also use inquiry form, that is in the manually questionnaire form, scale form, and attitude scale. Checklist also use, and schedule also use. That is not a good test, but questionnaire, what you have to prepare, and what is also a many questionnaire prepared by the psychologist, that may be also used in the research. So inquiry form, psychological test, inquiry form, interview, observation, and sociometrics and social distance are used in the tools and technique in the research. Any question? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Hmm? Any
No,
problem?
sir.
What is psychological test? Hmm? Please camera on. Please camera on. Please camera on. Sumita Sil, any question you want to know? Any question? Sumita, any question? No question. Avroji, any question?
No, sir, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is interview? What is interview?
Sir, interview is a technique to elicit data from the client. So it may be a yes, sir.
Collected from the population or sample on the basis
Yeah,
of the population.
yeah, it's collected from the sample.
Why not it is test? Why not it is test? Because this question is very important for the point of view of the examination. Why it is not test?
It is not test because it is open-ended questions are there in the interview, which we use to elicit the information from the sample. And in the test, sir, we use close-ended questions where we want some answer from the uh, uh, test taker who is giving the test.
No. There is no question, paper, pencil for this one.
Yeah, paper, pencil test and other tests are all there. So items, there are questions are there to answer.
Yes, yes.
But in interview, sir, the informations are taken. I think questions are open-ended questions in interview.
Okay. So what is the difference between attitude scale and rating scale?
Attitude scale and rating scale. Sir, what I suppose is that attitude is
Other.
measured. Attitude is, sir, measured by the rating scale only. So when we are
Rating scale, attitude are separate and rating others.
Acha. No, sir. When we are assessing the attitude of a sample, when we are assessing the attitude, then we are using the rating scale, na? Likert rating 1 to 7 or 1 to 5, like that.
Yes, yes.
While while assessing the attitude, we are using the scale, and that scale is a rating scale itself.
Yes, yes, yes. So rating
Is it
scale,
correct?
what is the main difference in rating scale and attitude scale? What is the person? What attitude scale and rating scale?
Rating scale, sir, I understand is that it rates the responder about some
Yes, yes, yes.
from within a range. We like totally disagree to totally agree. So
Hmm.
this what I understand. Rating scale.
Yes, yes, yes.
And sir, actually, question is not clear to me that
Difference
attitude.
between attitude scale and aptitude scale. Not
Aptitude.
aptitude,
Okay.
attitude scale and rating scale and
Sir, I don't have
aptitude scale.
aptitude, na. So, sir,
Compare. Write down a question. Write down question. Compare aptitude scale, attitude scale, aptitude, attitude scale, and rating scale.
okay. Compare aptitude scale, attitude scale, and rating scale.
Rating scale. Please camera on because now recording for your attendance.
Compare
Camera on each
Yes,
and
sir.
every participant.
Attitude, aptitude, and
Write down, compare attitude scale, aptitude scale, and
rating
rating
scale.
scale. Rating scale.
So please check the chats box. There I have written the question. Is it correct? Is it the thing you want?
Compare attitude, aptitude, and rating scales. If you are writing attitude scale, aptitude scale, and rating scale. And if you are writing here, compare attitude, aptitude, and rating scale to scale, replaced by scales.
Scales, na plural.
Scales.
Yes, sir. Now you want video on.
Please
Yes, sir.
camera on
Yes, sir.
for the attendance show. Camera on for the attendance.
Yes, sir. So can you see me, sir? दिखाई दे रहा है, sir?
Camera is on each and every. Sumita Chaudhary, Diparna Datta. Sumita Sil. Okay, okay. The next question I am asking about the difference between achievement test and diagnostic test. I also told earlier, diagnostic test is one of the kind of the achievement test. So what is the difference between them? Asa Kumari, achievement test and diagnostic test. What is the difference between them?
Diagnostic test is specify the medical science, and
No.
achievement test.
The word taken from the medical science. It specifies weakness and strength point of the student of in the subject, in the particular area of the subject, in the particular area of the subject. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the achievement test? What do you mean by achievement test?
Achievement test
It is
measures
designed to
the
measure
aspiration.
degree of attainment.
Yeah, degree of attainment. Yeah.
Achievement test is designed to measure. It designed to measure degree of attainment. As for example, university examination, MEd
Yeah.
special course examination. Okay.
Yes.
So what is diagnostic test? I have
Like-
told also after completing one unit, I have to take a test that is known as unit test. So unit test is the example of the diagnostic
Achievement.
test.
Unit test is an
And
example of
achievement test, research methodology test, any subject test that is known as achievement test. Okay. That should be clear. Otherwise, you could not get, will not get marks in the examination because very short answer type is given more importance. Okay. And that is very objective way. Okay. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, tomorrow, sir, what time will be the class?
3 to 4.
3 to 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this time sing, sir, class, sir.
Huh?
Yeah, the classes are clashing, sir.
Clashing.
Yeah, with
Who
other
taking?
faculty.
Madam has told. Madam has told this one.
This
If
slot,
you
na?
take, you have to take from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Acha.
So
Okay, sir.
in morning it is possible. In morning it is possible. In morning it is possible.
Yes,
10 to
sir.
11. Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
10 to 11.
10 to
Yes, sir.
11.
Yes, sir.
No class at all. 10 to 11, no class.
Actually,
Sir, our class is 11:15 to 12 o'clock, sir.
What time?
11:15 to 12 o'clock.
Oh, 11:15. No, 10 to 11, that may be possible. 10 to 11, it is possible or not?
Possible, sir.
Okay. You have to write in the Google class. Is possible or time change? And discuss with your principal madam. Okay. Thank you very much.
okay.